Let's DIY an easy Easter wreath using these supplies from the Dollar Tree. We're going to be using the little wheel wreath form like this, but I wanted it to have a tire on it like a bike tire. So I'm actually going to use one of the steering wheel covers from the Dollar Tree from the automotive section, and it's super stretchy to make a tire on this. I thought this would be a really fun, easy way. You know what? It fit perfectly. I got mine in white. I thought a nice white bike tire would look really cute on here to do a cute little Easter wreath. You could use this for a door or for a wall. Now, I did want to add a little greenery to mine. I picked up this great greenery at the Target dollar spot. It's already got the eggs, the lamb's ear, the greenery all together. So I thought we could use that to make an easy wreath to go with the bicycle tire, so it's not quite so plain. It was a little bit more than the Dollar Tree, but you know what? It was a time saver. So I just went ahead and I'm going to have this go around a couple of times here on the bike wheel. I like the pastel colors, and I kind of want the eggs to be random. If I left it all together in one piece, it wasn't super random. So what I'm going to do is just cut it in half. That way I can put it where I want to put it. I'm not sure if the Dollar Tree Plus has an egg garland like this. I know they do have lots of varieties of these, so you might be able to find one like this there too. And that way I can have them scattered out exactly where I want them. I love the little pastel eggs on there. I think they're super cute. Once I get it just how I like it, I'm just going to use twine to tie it all together. Basically tying the wreath form to the bicycle tire. And if you have enough left on there, you can also make the hanger as well just by knotting your twine. And then I have the cutest little sign I got from the Dollar Tree to go on top of this to tie the whole thing in together. Easter and the little bike wheel. It's this little sign that says Happy Easter with a little bunny rabbit with bunny rabbits in the basket. I love the fact that it's a blue bike. I'm just going to remove the hanger and the sign that it had dangling from behind it to make it a little bit smaller. And we're just going to nestle this over here in the bike wheel corner, attaching it here towards the bottom. I think that looks pretty good and ties it all together. And I was going for super easy on this Easter wreath, so lots of little shortcuts here for making your own little Easter decor. I attached mine with hot glue to the wheel, and this is how it turned out. I think it's so cute. I love the little bicycle for spring, but a bicycle for Easter is even cuter. So if you have one of those bicycle wreath forms from the Dollar Tree and you don't know what to do with it, this is a fun option. If you would like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, you should check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting, everyone.